Hi, I'm Chef Callan, Harmons Cooking School chef, and we're here today to talk about some of our cooking tips and techniques for your holiday season.
One of my holiday tips is to have a microplane. You can use it for several different things, like grating chocolate, for hot chocolate decoration, for pie decoration. You can use it for Parmesan cheese, for nutmeg and cinnamon and zesting lemons.
My tip for the holiday season is checking the temperature of your bird. So a little bit on food safety, those pop-out thermometers aren't always the most accurate, so a good instant read thermometer will be a lot more accurate. You want to measure the temperature of the breast, the thigh, and your drumsticks. If you are cooking your stuffing inside the bird in the oven while you're roasting it, you do want to make sure your stuffing comes to 165 degrees. Oftentimes that gets forgotten, and that could potentially make your family sick.
If you're going to be cooking for any vegetarian or vegan guests this holiday season, one good substitution, if your recipe calls for a chicken or beef broth or stock, you can go ahead and swap that out for vegetable or mushroom stock is also a really good option. And sweetened coconut milk is a great option for dishes that might call for a dairy cream, such as your green bean casserole or even in your pumpkin pie.
Another holiday tip I have is to make your turkey gravy gluten-free by using rice flour and tamari. Use the rice flour instead of flour. So adding the tamari adds a little bit of color, and it also adds a little bit of the salt flavoring without adding the extra salt that most people try to avoid.
One way I like to elevate my Thanksgiving and also kind of make it a little unique to my flavors is to add black pepper to my pumpkin pie. It gives a little bit of a spiciness along with the sweetness, bring out a little bit more flavor.
Thinking about your conventional holiday appetizers, you can really take those up to the next level. Take, for instance, your deviled eggs. You can add a minced up kimchi on top. You could do some minced up chives, even a little crab, or super delicious little fried prosciutto on top. It's really yummy. For more tips, recipes, and to schedule a Harmons cooking class, head on over to harmonsgrocery.com. Happy holidays!